Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. We have a beautiful, beautiful tie-dye plan today for you. As I'm sure you might be able to tell, that shirt looks a little bit gray, maybe just a hair. But we're not going to talk about that. We got a nice youth medium, I believe. A schmedium, so to speak. She's getting it folded and pleated, or folded down into 16ths, so we can try to do a kaleidoscope for y'all today. Might be another epic fail, but we'll see what we get. We've been racking up some epic fails lately. We've also been racking up some killer shirts. It's nice, bright, sunny.
Way too hot.
It's a little bit warm. Hey, it's either gonna be warm or cold. You gotta pick the poison. I'll take the heat, baby. Easier to function when it's warm. It's just, you know, might make things not as pleasant, but at least your fingers work.
Alright, let's go.
To the dyeing rack. What you kicking it off there with?
Some dragon fruit.
A little bit of dragon fruit to start us out, eh? A little fruit from that dragon. Fruit from the dragon.
And some deep orange.
A little bit of deep orange.
And lemon yellow.
Lemon yellow.
And lime pop.
Lime pop. Ew. Sorry if there's some wind noise, people. It's really whipping up here on the hill.
Glacier.
Glacier blue. Man, that's going to be a beautiful tie-dye there. Look at that.
And blue violet.
Blue violet. Is that going to be all of them?
Yes.
So, all told on this one, we have dragon fruit, lemon yellow, lime pop, deep orange, blue violet, and glacier blue. A beautiful kaleidoscope tie-dye, hopefully.
Yeah.
We shall see. With any luck, we'll get a kaleidoscope. Look at that beautiful specimen. Get all the little bare spots. A touch of color here, touch of color there. Wow, that does look pretty impressive, I'm not gonna lie. That looks pretty cool.
And some blue violet to end it off.
There you go. Fill out that last little bit. Oh yeah. Pretty, pretty, pretty.
Alright, I think we're good to go.
Ready for the drying rack?
Let's go.
Let's do it. middle shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.